I'm designing prosthetic hand in 100 days, and we have a working model today. I took a trip back to my school today so I can cut these rods that I bought down to a good size. Someone suggested that I use a Dremel to cut them down, and I have one at the lab that I work at, which is perfect, so I appreciate that suggestion. I suited up with PPE this time, guys, don't worry. At first I tried using this blade attachment to cut the rods down, but that absolutely didn't work, so I had to scrap that quickly. Next was a set of clippers that I found, but those didn't work, like, at all, so you know it's better than a set of clippers. Bigger clippers, which also didn't do a thing. Then I found this saw, and I figured why not, but I feel like it was moving side to side more than it was actually cutting through the thing, so I stopped using that idea too. Finally, something that did work was the sanding file, but it was so slow that I had to speed up the process. So I went back to the Dremel and tried this hard tip that I found, and it started grinding away, which worked very well. I got it down far enough to where I could snap off the bit that I needed. I did that process a few more times and was able to put the rods in the finger. After that, I had to put the paracord in the finger, but I forgot my crimp, so I had to use the spacer that I found, and it worked pretty well, but I cut the paracord too short so the finger can't open all the way. Also, the rod closest to the wall right here is just a little too close for the paracord to move smoothly, so I'm gonna have to adjust that in my next sprint. If you think of anything that will help me, just leave a comment and I will respond to it. Thank you and follow for more.